Sa ngayon ay magsasagot tayo ng one of the tricky questions sa mathematics, days of the week. If today is Tuesday, what day is 220 days from now? Ang ating given is if today is Tuesday at ang isa is what day is 220 days from now. Ang ating choices are the following: Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, at Saturday. We all know na yung ating 1 week ay equivalent siya sa 7 days. At ang ating hinahanap is yung ating 220 days. At i-divide natin siya sa 7 days to determine the total number of weeks sa loob ng 220 days. Kapag dinivide natin yung 220 days divided by 7 days, meron tayong 31.42857. At kukunin natin yung 31 kasi ito yung total number of weeks sa loob ng 220 days. At yung ating 31 ay i-multiply natin sa 7 kasi meron tayong 31 weeks times 7 days, or yung 7 natin is equivalent sa 1 week. Multiply natin 31 times 7, meron tayong 217. Ang 217 ay ito yung ating Tuesday. Kasi if today is Tuesday, kaya yung ating pang 217 ay Tuesday. 217, ito yung ating Tuesday. Bumalik lang tayo sa given na today is, if today is Tuesday. At yung ating 218 days ay Wednesday. At yung ating 219 days ay Thursday. At yung 220 days na kung saan ito yung ating hinahanap ay Friday. Kaya yung sagot natin sa tanong na if today is Tuesday, what day is 220 days from now? Ang sagot natin ay letter C, which is Friday. Try to answer this question. If today is Monday, what day is 199 days from now? Comment down below your answer.